So hello guys, and welcome to our tutorial today. Today we'll be going to look at OBS, and this video is sponsored by Moshina Graphics. So feel free to subscribe and support this channel to grow, and I appreciate that. Statistics have shown that 93% of you who are watching this video have not subscribed. You can help us to make this channel grow by subscribing, liking, and sharing this channel. So, OBS is one of the softwares that you can use to do live streaming, and it's a good software because you have access to a lot of tools, and also it is a free source, so you don't need to pay anything compared to vmix, which is a premium software that will be required to subscribe and to give monthly subscription. So compared to that, this is a good software for you. So the first things that you need to we're going to look at are the toolbar, and here you'll be getting files where you get to show recording, remix recording, settings, show setting folder, show folder, and others. Edit tool, we're going to where you can delete, where you can copy, where you can transform, log preview, advanced audio properties. Also you get it in edit view. You get to reset your UI, full screen interface, you or scene mode, and also you get multi-view full screen. A dock, you get to see several tools here, which I don't use them at at all in my live streaming, but they're so important to get them because you get audio mixer, you get to reset dock, and other things you might need to run it. So here you get to import to export, that is scene correction, and in tool you get to script, output timer, WebSocket server setting, and captions. So and you can also access help from the software. So after doing that, you need to know how to get started. So one thing you need to do is to create a scene, and I have created my scene here, but if you need to create another one, you just right click and then you add. That is one way, or you can press the plus button and you will get to add a new scene. That is, after adding a new scene, you need to add your sources. For example, here I have my sources, so that's why you're hearing me. You have our audio input and this display capture, and I have an image also. But if I need to add more, I can right click and I press add. I can add several of these ones. I can add application audio capture, I can add audio input capture, I can add a browser, camera source, display capture, game capture, image slideshow, media source, scene, text. I can add video capture device, which I have added, and also you can get to add Windows capture. But let's get done with that. So if you need to go to add a source, you just need to right click, or just need to go to source here, and then you add here. Simple. I repeat again, you just right click. You can just right click the first method, you can right click and then press add, and then you get to add them here. The second way, you switch from scene to source, and then you press the plus button, and then you are able to access the tools here. So with that, I think you're good to go. So if you have several cameras, you can just press here, come here to add media source, and then you press OK, and then you'll be able to select what you want. So I'll be able to select my files here. If I want to add a video, I just press the plus button. I can add an image, I can just press OK, and then I will browse the image here. So if I come here, I'll be able to add an image here. We can just explore some. I can just press there and I can open it and I will have added an image, but I don't need it. I can split. So that's how you can add scene and how you can add source. So it's very important for you to know how to add a scene and how to add a source. After that, you, for example, we have an image here and I'll click OK, and then I will bring it to the top and it's here. Perhaps I want it to come to the other side. I just press cut and it will fade to this side. If I don't need this image, I will just drag it down here, or I add display capture here at the top, display capture, add it here, and then press fade or transition and it will have come to the program scene. With that, I think we are good to go. So if I need my image, this image to be visible here, I just need to to switch off some of these ones. We don't need it. We need it. So if I need this one to come to the other side, I just click this transition. I can just fade it or return it back. So with that, I think you're good to go with OBS software. After that, another important thing that you need to do is to know how to start streaming, how to start recording, how to stop recording, how to start visual camera, how to switch to studio mode, setting, and how to exit your software. So with that, let's start with live streaming. So when you're streaming, you need to come to this side and then let's stop streaming first, and then you're going to set our streaming keys, and it is very important for you to know how to add those. So one important thing that you're going to do is to our streaming. So we don't have internet here, but we can set it how we want. So one thing that you need to know is recording. Let's go first recording and then we back to streaming. So recording, you just need to press here, and if it shows you green green right, it shows you that indeed you are recording something. But if it doesn't, it means that you're not recording. For now we are not streaming, but you are recording. So if we need to live stream, press this. I need to confirm something and it will be okay with us. So let's go to control in the docket, go to control, again go to docket and then press control, docket, custom, but no. So let's go to settings. This is where you get access to your live streaming. You need to come to streaming. You need to set, if you want to live stream in your YouTube channel, you press YouTube, and then you will need to copy paste your primary YouTube ingest server or the primary server or URL of your streaming, and then you will need to reconnect it here, and then you will need to use streaming key. With that, I think you're cool with that. So let's go back. Let's go back. So if you need to live stream, you need to come to settings, not here, but it has but here. Click settings, and then you click streaming, and then you need to select which account or which social media platform that you need to stream in. If you need to stream in Twitter, Web, Twitch, you just confirm your accounts here, and then you'll be able to live stream. Let's say okay, but we don't have a server, so shows us that we cannot go live. So with that, friends, I think you're good to start with live streaming in OBS, and I wish you all the best. And as you serve in your in the place that you're serving, be it work, be it in church, serve with excellence. And I wish you a good day. Thank you.